So one way we can help provide an even amount of oil going to the brushes is with the use of the restrictor kit. So our restrictor kit comes with these tubing inserts that we're able to insert into the tubing that goes to the pumps, from the pumps to the brushes. The silver restrictors are a medium flow going to that brush, and the black restrictor is an even finer amount. It's called our small orifice, so this black insert is going to prevent less oil to go to the brush. So for your brushes that are really close to the pump, you may want to use that small or medium orifice, plug it into the tubing like I've done here, slide your sleeve nut up onto the tubing, take a new ferrule out of the bag. You're going to want to make sure that that ferrule is right over the restrictor we inserted. Slide it down into the manifold. Get the sleeve nut on there and crimp it down. And you're going to want to make sure you crimp it down really good so that we can press the ferrule onto the tubing and that restrictor. So for this line right here, as this pump actuates, these three lines right here are going to get quite a bit of oil going out, and this one's going to get less. If we have more and more lines, we can insert more and more restrictors. The kit comes with more than enough ferrules and sleeve nuts should you lose any, and it comes with 5 additional manifolds, so if you do happen to have to replace it, and it will come with 5 each of the medium and small orifices that can be inserted into the tubing. Thank you for watching today. If you have any questions regarding how to use the restrictor kit or with any other questions, please give us a call at 800-782-5752 or check out our website at LubeMinder.com.